All right, beautiful Sunday out after the rain yesterday, and we're at Brimfield, Massachusetts, and we're at the Brimfield Winery, and probably gonna be a big show today, so we'll do a video, see if I can get them all in. But here we go. We'll start at the back this time and go to the front.
When your placard up? Yeah. Are you gonna stand for it? You know what though? Good. What happened I actually think I'm gonna delete a bunch of new stuff on my phone because I can't stand looking at it.
Yes, it is.
Somewhere tells what the voter is. Yeah, I always say that to you.
Jersey raffle going on. T-shirts available at both locations, Hitchcock and also the Brimfield Firefighters. We've got Sophie's Coffee here with all kinds of treats. Main Street Tavern is here too. They'll be cooking up burgers, sausage grinders, and hot dogs. Grills are up and they'll be ready to serve momentarily. Welcome out again, everybody. For 15 years we've been putting on this show between here and Don Moriarty's field, and it's just gotten bigger and bigger. Welcome out to Brimfield and welcome out to the ET Auto Show.
But it's a terrible choice. T5 and moving forward.
I can't, we're parked right behind you. We have a rust bucket right behind you.
I'm on the road and on the way back I'm throwing the either that or drop it.
Maybe talk to Strange and see if they got a bolt in Dana for it. Just keep the stock.
This car was originally a 300 horse automatic. Okay.
Have mean, I just got there, and I haven't seen all the guys doing it.
I think it's.
I'm thinking this is the one, you know.
What she ought to do is next front tire, you take a picture of her and she can go like this. This is my other car. I thought you guys said it's fucking toasty. Oh, I see this. So what went on with the dashboard as far as fitting?
I like that.
Oh,
It's an 8.5-foot bed. It's not a standard bed.
Right.
It's a, they call them longhorn. You hit them back then, they accommodate pickup carriers.
Okay.
But the 97 truck didn't have that. So Billy just extended the frame to make it fit.
Yep.
That needs a new stretch out. You know what I mean? Everything has to fit.
Sure.
A lot of work. No, he's still oh, no, open. Open the pop it if it's roasted.
Have a great day.
Go pop them. I know. I usually drive this on the weekend. Yeah, it's just the C4 mount, 360 feet. It's good. I want to hopefully Reese doesn't show up. Dude, that was so bad. At Pathfinder. Reese. Is it just pieces of flesh out I'm just so I regret getting rid of my last one, so I want to keep this one.
Why? You got like 4 of them. You gotta part ways.
I'm keeping this one, I'm keeping yours.
What happened? Did you total one of them?
My own crew cab, yeah.
My buddy has it.
I just missed that one.
forget to get in on that 50-50 with the Brimfield Firefighters Association. 50-50. The higher it goes, the better it is. No lines over at the Firefighters Association tent right now. Raffle tickets are available. T-shirts are available. Stop over at the Hitchcock Free Academy too as well, and they've got sweatshirts, golf shirts available as well. Stop over and see what they're doing. They're the recipient as part of the portions of the shirt. Sophie's Coffee Shop is here too as well. She's got cider, iced coffee, and all kinds of cool treats as well. Stop over and check her out. Main Street Tavern is here. They'll be serving up burgers, sausage grinders, steak and cheese, hot dogs. The grills are up, and if you're looking for something to eat, they'll be ready for it.
I mean, last year, the carburetor last year was 440. What made you start to do this? That's a Facebook every day. You know what I mean? Who doesn't? You never know what you're gonna find. Yeah, that's you never know. Maybe I'll be here later.
Just can't think about you as a it should be easy to see. Just want you to know I know that you have to go.
like you. Trying to find it on the way What's all the other guys?
I can feel your body sway. One floor below me, you don't even know me. I love you. Oh my darling, not 3 times on the ceiling if you want me.
So she is going to get a pro for you. All together. And she's going to get her. So now, she's going to learn another.
If you look out your window tonight, pulling the string with the note that's attached to my heart. Read how many times I saw how in my silence I adored you. Only in my dreams did that love between us come apart. Oh my darling, not 3 times on the ceiling if you want me. Twice on the pipe if the answer is no. Oh my sweetness means you meet me in the hallway. Oh, twice on the pipe means you ain't gonna show. Oh, I can hear the music playing. I can feel your body swaying. One floor below me, you don't even know me. I love you. Oh my darling, not 3 times on the ceiling if you want me. Oh, twice on the pipe if the answer is no. Oh my sweetness means you'll meet me in the hallway. Twice on the pipe. Well, shake it up, baby, now. Shake it up, baby. Twist and shout, twist and shout. Come on, baby, now. Come on, baby, work it on out. Work it on out, baby, work it on out. Work it
That's where you guys will figure it out.
Yep, we would truck the first back in the truck.
I like to never trail it.
Never trailered. They ask me at every show I go to. You trailered that here, right? No.
No?
I drove 2 hours with it to get here.
Really?
Yeah, from New
Awesome.
Hampshire.
That's great.
Yeah.
You know it runs really good when you can do that.
Yep, it does.
Hey, listen, at least it's not raining, right? It's not raining. Folks are starting to line up over at Main Street Tavern. They've got the grill up. They've got grinders, hot dog, hamburgers, steak and cheese, sausage grinders all available. Head right over there. We got iced coffee, all kinds of treats over here. With Sophie's Coffee. Stop over and check that out. Fire department is here. We've got t-shirts available and 50-50 raffle.
Yeah,
Hitchcock Academy is here too as well. Stop over and say hello to them. They got
That's right, don't
shirts,
he?
golf shirts available too as well. Find out what's going on at the Hitchcock Free Academy. Two of our recipients as part of our donation for today's show. I want to thank our great sponsors. No lines currently at the registration table. Check out the registration table. There you're Make sure you register. You can't win if you don't register. Spectators are starting to come in. The cars are still coming in, and we've got a great car show. Hoping we get very early in the evening. Saturday, tickets are available at the bar. Tickets are available at the bar. Also, the bar is open. We've got hot cider available. Wine slushies if you want, as well as wine available too as well. So, a lot of options for some drinks. So, welcome everybody and thanks for joining us.
big, you can have the big cuts.
Hot, sweet. You get hot? I got hot.
Yeah, I think there was no choice.
Why not?
Oh, definitely.